Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can understand Healthy Paws Pet Insurance for beginners, so let's get started. Many pet owners treat their cats and dogs like family members, but veterinary care can become very expensive, especially during emergencies or serious illnesses. That's why a lot of people look into pet insurance companies like Healthy Paws to help manage those unexpected medical costs. So what exactly is pet insurance? Pet insurance works somewhat similar to health insurance for humans. You pay a monthly premium, and in return, the insurance may help cover certain veterinary expenses if your pet becomes sick or injured. Healthy Paws Pet Insurance mainly provides coverage for dogs and cats. Depending on the plan, it can help pay for things like accidents, illnesses, surgeries, emergency care, hospital stays, diagnostic tests, prescription medications, and specialist treatments. Here's how the process usually works. If your pet needs medical treatment, you first visit a licensed veterinarian and pay the bill. After that, you submit a claim to the insurance company, often through their website or mobile app. If the treatment is covered under your policy, the company may reimburse a percentage of the eligible expenses after your deductible is applied. Now let's talk about some important insurance terms beginners should understand. First is the premium. This is the monthly amount you pay to keep your insurance active. Second is the deductible. This is the amount you must pay out of pocket before insurance starts helping with covered costs. Third is the reimbursement percentage. Some plans may reimburse 70%, 80%, or even 90% of eligible veterinary expenses depending on the policy you choose. For example, if your vet bill is $1,000 and your plan reimburses 80% after the deductible, the insurance may cover a large portion of that bill. One reason many people like Healthy Paws is protection against major emergency. Serious conditions like surgeries, broken bones, cancer treatments, or emergency hospital visits can sometimes cost thousands of dollars, so insurance may help reduce financial stress during those situations. However, there are also limitations beginners should know about. Most pet insurance companies do not cover pre-existing conditions, meaning illnesses or injuries your pet already had before the policy started. Routine care like vaccinations, grooming, or regular wellness visits may also not be included unless additional coverage options are available. The cost of insurance can also vary depending on your pet's age, breed, location, and overall health risk. Older pets and certain breeds may have higher monthly premiums. Overall, Healthy Paws is designed to help pet owners handle unexpected veterinary costs by providing reimbursement for many covered medical treatments. For beginners, understanding premiums, deductibles, reimbursements, and coverage limits is important before choosing any pet insurance plan. That's it, I'll be back with more in the next video.